Hi, this is Mrs. Knopf, and today we are going to keep working in our method book on the trombone with line 28 Jingle Bells. So let's get started. At the beginning of our first line, we have our bass clef, and you'll find the bass clef at the beginning of each line. And then we have our key signature. Each line has the key signature, which includes two flats. The first flat is a B flat on the second line that tells us that all Bs will be played B flat. The second one is an E flat located on the third space, and that means all E's will be played as E flats. Then we have our time signature. We are in 4/4 time. The top number tells us how many beats are in each measure. The bottom number gives us the value of the whole note if we had one. We can still use that information to figure out the value of everything else. So if the whole is worth 4, half of a whole is half of 4 is 2. So the half notes and the half rests get 2 beats each. Then half of a half is a quarter, half of 2 is 1, and so all of the quarters get 1 beat each. So now we're going to go through and we're going to look for patterns. So the first two measures all have the same note on line 3. This is a D, which is in 4th position. Your 4th position is where the top of your outer slide is about even with the bell. So we have 2 quarters and a half for those Ds. And then in measure 3, we move around some. We have a quarter note D. We move into 1st position for the F on line 4. Stay in 1st position for the B flat on line 2. Move out to 6th position for that 2nd space C. And then we have a half note D back in 4th position in the next measure, followed by a half rest. In the next line, we move into 3rd position for E flat, so our slide where we hold it, that's about even with the bell. We have 4 quarter note E flats. In the next measure, we have 1 more E flat, then we move out to the D and play 2 Ds. In the next measure, we have a D, 2 Cs out in 6th position, back to D in 4th, and then in the next measure, we have a half note C, and then that half note F can be played in 6th position. So I tell my kids, if you're already out there, you might as well stay out there in 6th. But if your band director says, no, absolutely not, play that F in 1st position, then do what your band director tells you. Okay? Now, the next line is exactly like the first line. So there's no need to go over that again. And then the 4th line, the first 2 measures of line 4 are exactly like the first 2 measures of line 2. So it's where measure 3 and measure 4 in that last line, that's where we have a change. So let's start there. We have 2 Fs in 1st position. We move out to E flat in 3rd, C in 6th, and we end our tune with the B flat 1st position for 2 beats and then 2 beats of rest. So we're going to play through Jingle Bells. We're going to start each note with the t sound, and we're going to keep it clean. Let's go ahead and start, and I hope you can play along. 1, 2, ready. And that's it for Jingle Bells on the trombone. I hope you're able to keep up and play along, and I hope you find this helpful. And we'll see you next time.